this is the this car is Chevrolet Tahoe, so GMC, Chevrolet Tahoe. So this is the problem. Haba,
Oh yeah, لا هذا what's the problem?
clutch pack.
And
The clutch pack, clutch plate. I think also the converter. Torque converter.
you know this color for clutch or for converter?
It's a metal.
Yeah, for
I think the plate, clutch lining plate, converter.
yeah, خلاص converter it's die. Maybe if you fix the stop sleep with thick oil, maybe work, but 20% only.
Uy.
Only only 20%. You know that color not black. Black is for clutch, but the converter problem.
Yes, this is metal.
Yeah, it's inside, and I think it's stuck off inside.
This solenoid.
Because that one solenoid comes inside. Need to clean and fix again. Maybe 20%. Not sure, but we will put the stop sleep. Maybe I will tell customer.
Okay.
Are you talking with him about oil and filter?
I don't know, Dennis.
Okay, remove it.
Okay. So daming metal kinain niya.
Ano?
Kalasa na, iji tao di bla. Asalam.
Comfortable. It's like diamond.
Video mo parang kita. O syariah niya di mapikarap.
Illa, maybe it's stuck off now.
Sometimes working out.
I think performance or stuck off.
But wakalam, if you asking me overhaul, the change all coming.
Yeah, but I think clutch still a good. I think because no more
No smell?
smell.
Not same I
Because this one.
la ma pisim si madam FG.
Yeah, not clutch problem. No more problem in the clutch.
Converter and syariah.
Yeah.
Akit. Converter o
You.
la converter o syariah lasin eh. Ball body lasin tandip.
لازم remove and clean and fix. Well, I need to clean converter.
Converter la remove lasin.
لازم change.
Gayer converter o syariah o
Clean first.
Clean nada.
شريحة. Maybe will come.
La wow.
But no code. No stock off. Need to first to clean.
Converter lasin gayer o clean ball body.
Converter need to clean. Change.
No need to change.
Need to change.
Need to change.
Converter.
Yeah.
Ayaw, number one converter gayer lasim. Bas ada syariah awal sup. Bas ada di gayer wahid mara.
Clean.
Sikod mai sikod.
3000.
La mo yun kod ada. Ada
Bark in.
no.
Bark neutral.
Ay ba?
No problem. Clean and clean circuit.
So okay. Look for this area, this part have a metal and lock. You see, so it's not good. Look. So okay. We test the solenoid. So this is the ball body of Chevrolet Tahoe. So I see the cylinder. This so have a scratch, but not too small, not too big. And also this You see? This, you see, this is the part of cylinder. So scratch, and this side have scratch also. And also this side. Nope. This is the bar body. So have a scratch on this side. Okay. So for now, unbox torque converter. Okay. Unbox torque converter for GMC Tahoe. So new torque converter for GMC Tahoe. Okay. Okay.